All right, we got our first images of Ford's new sub $30,000 EV truck.
That bed is weirdly tall.
It is weird. Let me explain to you what we know, and then I'll tell you what I kind of speculate is going on. So if you haven't heard about this yet, Ford's developing an EV truck, sub $30,000.
Compete with the Slate truck.
Reminiscent of the Slate truck, although this actually has 4 doors. It's going to be, I think, it has to be. It's longer than the Slate. It has a smaller bed than the Slate, though, it looks like. Longer hood. It's going to be more car-like in its ride height and its road manners, I assume. But yeah, they're going to be using their universal platform, a new EV platform they're starting up. They're going to build a bunch of different cars on this platform, but the truck is the first thing they're making. But they're targeting practicality and low entry price.
Which is where the Maverick was, and now the Maverick's gotten expensive.
Yeah.
They have to keep trying to re-engineer the solution for a cheaper entry-level vehicle.
Yeah.
And Slate is sort of stripped, as far as an EV goes, as far as it can go. It's not even painted.
Yeah.
Now, Ford obviously has the facilities to be painting whatever they feel like. Mm-hmm. And adding this
they have the economies of scale.
Adding this to the lineup where they need to paint it isn't going to change anything for Ford.
No.
On the back end, I imagine if they could get away with not painting it and saving the money, I don't think they would.
Probably not. And it's different for Ford to not paint a vehicle.
Yeah.
That would be a radical change. We're a new startup, and that's a pitch toward, like, this is our ethos. That's an easier pill to swallow.
Right.
Whereas, like, Ford is like, wow, Ford's not even painting their vehicles anymore. Like, it hits different, I think. I feel like they have to. They have to paint the cars.
Yeah, and they have the benefit of, even though painting is expensive and difficult to get right,
they've got the production already set up and paid for. Do you know what I think would be cool? And this is my speculation here. There's something weird going on with the bed here. What I think might be happening is a mid-gate situation. That's where they're really covering up this back part, because there's the Slate truck is really committed to two doors and size and practicality in a small package at the expense of not having the usability of 4 doors. What if you could do both? This looks like a really tiny bed, but what if you could make it into a full 8-foot bed?
Do the Avalanche, but smaller.
The Avalanche, but smaller. More like the Tello truck, the other EV startup.
Yeah, so basically it's just mixing the Slate and the Tello and doing it with economies of scale and Ford's production capability.
I think that might be, if they are doing that, that would be really cool. If every truck can do that, it can just fold down.
Mid-gate, yeah, it just becomes standard.
That would be fairly easy. It's easier to do with an EV, where you just have a skateboard platform and you could do anything you want on top of that.
Yeah.
That's my speculation.